Hello, my name is Chris Parham, and this is my Find a Parham app. Um, we start out with our main screen where you sign in with your username or email, and then you put in your password. If you don't know your username or password, you click on the link right here, which doesn't go to a link, but that's what you would do. Or you could sign in with Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or YouTube. And you just go down to Facebook, for instance, and you can get your link that comes right in, or to Instagram too, for instance. Okay, so it goes right to Instagram or Facebook or Twitter or YouTube. So then we go back to our app, and then we're going to log in, put our name in, username or email, and then a password. And then we log in. Then we go to the Find a Param main menu. So in this case, we're going to build a clues database. So we use our radio button. We click into the with our radio button, and then we have our legends down. We have our metaphors down here for elders, which is tree roots, parents, which is tree branches, and then siblings and children, which are leaves. So then once you do that, you've already signed in to the app. So then you click on Go right here, and then you put in. Since we're building a clues database in this instance, we're putting in Isaac Parham for the first name, Isaac for the first name, Parham for the last name, of course. Then you put in county, either the county, city, town, or state, and then you put in their birth year. You can also match all items exactly by putting in a keyword. So then we go to search, we click on search, and then the name that we're looking for is Isaac Parham, born in 1865 and died in 1900 in West Medford, Massachusetts, Ward 6. So then we go up to his name and we click on Isaac Parham, and then we get the information that's going to go into the clues database, which is who his relatives are, his grandparents, his mother, his brothers, his sisters, so on and so forth. He was born originally in North Carolina, but he moved to West Medford as a baby. So then we save the item in the clues database. We go down here, we click on save, or click on yes, excuse me. And then we click on the clues database. So we go into that, and then we have the information of Isaac Parham, which includes birth records, marriage records, death records, military, U.S. Census and immigration records, and also photos and other ancestors as well. So that's being saved into the clues database. So then we click on that link, and then that information is being saved into the database. And right now, the progress for it is at 50%. Okay, so then to go back to um, that page, to the original page, we just click on home right here. And also, too, if you wanted to sign out, you just go up and you go further. Okay, and then you can sign out right there, and then go back to the original page. So now we're going to go to the um, the second part, which is finding a relative. So we sign in, we do our usual sign in with username or password or email, excuse me, and then the password. So then we click on to log in, and we do the same thing here where we're going to find relatives via our database. Okay, so you click on go right there, and then you put in the information, Isaac Parham, because what we're looking for is a Parham, Parrum. So you put in first name, last name, possible birthplace of ancestor, birth year, and then you click on search. So now you get a listing of parhams across the country. So the parham that we're looking for is the parham out west, out in California. So you go down here and you click on that link, and then the person that we're looking for is Jean Logan, who has a Parham, Parrum, in her lineage. So we click on Jean Logan to find out if Carla Parham is related to her. So then what we do then is you ask, do you have a GED match ID number? So you click on yes, and then you type in your GED match number, MD 1234567 8. You put that information with the keyboard. So then you go to go, and then voila, your GED match number matches up by one off by one with Gene Logan's, whose is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, excuse me. So now Carla knows that she is related to um, Gene Logan. So then we're going to go on to the next page, which is going to be building, Carla's going to be building her own tree. So we go log in, click build your own tree via database. So we do that. So then this is her clues database that has already been built. So the person that she's looking for is Terry Parham to add onto her tree. So Terry Parham is born in Brockton, Mass. So we go down here to her tree and click on the link. So then this is Terry Parham's information here. So this way we've got the metaphors for parents, siblings, and elders. So you take from the file and you put it in for a sibling. You take from the file and you put it in for a parent. You take from the file and you put in for elders. Okay, so this is her building his tree. So she's helping him build his tree. And at the bottom of the page, you'll see where it says check these links against your tree results. So then you can go to Ancestry or myheritage.com. So we're going to go to Ancestry real quick. Okay, so you can just check your results that are on Ancestry if you have an Ancestry account, and then you go back to your page once you find out what your results are on your tree that's already on Ancestry.com. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the next one, which is Carla helping build someone else's tree. So we're going to log in, okay, and we're going to build a tree via database. So we click on to go. So we're helping Terry Parham put Isaac Parham into his tree. Okay, so you see Isaac Parham is already in the clues database. So then we go to Terry Parham family tree, click on that, and then as you can see, you can just go to Ancestry or go to myheritage.com to check your results against the other person, against see if your information is actually there. Okay, so then you go back to that, and then you go up here. If you want to sign out, you do the same thing as you did prior, but if you want to sign out, you just go to the sign out page, sign out link right at the top, and you sign right out like this. And then you go right back to your original page. Thank you very much for the opportunity to show my app, findaparham.com. Thank you.